Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? Just get that right. Here we go, another Wednesday, another shave, and we've got new stuff in the den. Woo-woo! And some stuff to go through. So first off, let's show you the brush. There you go, PAA Doppler. Look at that, absolutely beautiful brush. Lovely, all PA brushes are good. We'll get that in there. We're going to put that in the official John Shave Super Soaker. And something else goes in the Super Soaker today, but for a different reason. I'll tell you in a minute, so you're all excited, you're all thinking, ooh. And there you go, look, we're going to balm up with that Cade. That's lovely, beautiful. Aftershave, I can't quite remember the scent notes on it, but it's quite unique. And the soap and splash I'm going to be using today, PAA, the Battle of NYC. That there, take a look at that label. See it up there? Pasteur's Pharmacy. This was a collaboration between Doug and Frank PA and Pasteur's Pharmacy. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. Now I've had it a bit, it smells like a really expensive cologne. You get there's resins and there's woody notes in there. Oh, it smells absolutely fantastic. There's the pour, and then you've seen the splash. We'll put that there. And then the one you're all waiting for, the pièce de résistance. Didn't know I could speak French, did you? Here it is, are you ready? Woof. There you go. We'll put that there so you can feast your eyes and get a good look. PAA's Artifact Razor. I got this during the week, I just never had time to do an unboxing. And by the time I had time to do an unboxing, I'd had it for a couple of weeks. I'd cracked under the pressure. I'd already opened it. So let's just crack on and I'll show it you now. Look at this beautiful case that it comes in, guys. Doug, give you the heads up. If you can have that left plain and just sell those cases with the foam and the razor insert, I'd buy one of them for a few other razors that I've got. So I've got some really expensive luxury razors and they're sitting there in cardboard boxes. So there you go, that's what it looks like. Pretty decent quality. Got this from PA, I think it was $60. At the current exchange rate, about £60. Right, there you go. We'll open that up. You get a cleaning cloth. Because I won't use any of this, you see. So I want to be careful not to get it wet because I'll put it back on. There you go. There's a little letter from Doug and Fran. PA. And then you get this. That little flap stitched in, lifts up. And there it is. There's the Artifact Razor. And you get 3 packets of those blades as well. So if you take those blades into account, you snap that too, and that helps you lift the razor out. So we'll put that back. Put that back in there. And here's the razor. Bakelite handle. Look at this. Gold top with the pattern around the edge. You see that there? I'll take that off. I'll let you have a look. I'll take the top cap off so you can see the base plate. You see it? It's like a see-through faux tortoise shell. And you see these grooves there and grooves there? Don't know, try and shall we see if we can no, I can't really get anything behind. I'll see if I can hold it like that in my finger so you may get a... No, that's not made any difference whatsoever at all. But there are channels there and they're running the whole length of the base plate and they fill with water. Basically, you put the razor back together like this. You would do that. And then I'm going to put that in the Super Soaker like that. Now if you see, there's, can you see it? Either side of that there are little holes. Where, can you see that there? and the water will go in there and fill those up. And I think the trick is when you're shaving, the water, the movement, the water moves out over the top of the blade and helps to lubricate the shave. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm not touching the blades that came with it because I just want everything to be intact, because I'll probably only use this once or twice a year. I may even give it away. We'll see. So I'll leave the blades with it, but I have got the PAA Strange Look blades anyway. I've got some additional ones and I'll be using them. So this is the blade that PAA recommend you use with that razor, because it comes with that razor. So here we go. I know there's been some controversy about these blades, hasn't there? I've never had a problem with them. Of course, now I've said that, you know what's coming, don't you? Well, there you go. We'll get it in there. Get it in there. Take my time and show you this because somebody commented just the other day on a 7-month-old video. Too much waffle, not enough information about the razor. Okay, there you go. And that's it in there. I'll put it in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. Something I don't like doing, something I don't feel comfortable doing, but something I've been asked for nonetheless. A person contacted me in the comments and another person contacted me privately, and I was asked about it a few months ago as well. Somebody said, we want to contribute towards a channel, but sending stuff, postage, money, this, all that and the other. Like, no, will you put your PayPal details under the video? I don't like doing it, but I will do it for those people that want it. I'll put my PayPal for the first time ever underneath this video. That's the only time I'm going to mention it, and that's it, because that's not really what I'm about. But if anybody wanted to donate or give anything or buy a soap or something, I think one of them said, we want to buy you a soap, but it doubles the price of it if we add postage. So we send you the money, you buy it in England, bada bing, bada boom. There you go. So I feel really awkward. I don't, because it's not what I'm about, and it's not, but people have asked for it, so it'll be there under this video and under subsequent videos. This is the only time I'll ever mention it, but thank you to anyone who wants to use it. Okay, back on with the shave. That's it. Oh, there you go. That water's a little bit on the cold side. Now we've got all that out of the way. How are you all doing? That's worrying. Is my boiler on the blink? The water's just not heating up. There you go. It's tepid, but that'll have to do. So here we go. Battle for NYC. But yes, I brought the balm in. An old PAA shave again. Let's see. I don't know why I'm doing this. I think we know what's going to happen with this, don't we? Just like all of Doug and Franz. Absolutely wonderful. This is the CK6 formula. So we'll load. There wasn't a lot there, was there? We'll see where we go. We'll load on the brush. Lather on the face. That's my motto. You're not going to go wrong with CK6. I watched a couple of videos and some people were saying don't like dip the tips. I said I don't like to have a big Santa's beard. You don't like to spend too much time whipping up a humongous beard. Look at this, but with this, guys, look, dip the tips again, and I've dipped the whole brush right in the water. Look at this, and you saw yourself. I wasn't loading for very long, was I? I wasn't loading for very long. Now you could do this long. You could do that. And just keep going. Keep going. But look at it. Yeah, we're done. We're done. When I get to this razor, thanks Thanks for all the comments and all the likes on the last video. Please check it out. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. I think I'm only about 3 subscriptions off 1,300, and I've been sat like that now for about a week. So here we go. I'll tell you, it's a very light razor, this, and it feels. I can feel it taking stuff off. I'll tell you now, it feels quite mild to me. But keep in mind, I do like a lot of blade feel. I do like the higher end of the scale aggression blades, razors, sorry. Have you got this? Have you used it? Let me know. Not much been going on here. We've got a COVID-19 victim next door. Samantha got COVID. This is her 2nd time with it now. So she's off sick with that. I was ill on Saturday, in the Saturday video. I had a pain in my side. I don't like coming in here, you know, in the morning. Oh, I was ill again. It's like an episode of EastEnders. But oh, because if you don't know what EastEnders is, if you're not from this country, there's a TV show, a soap opera, Our Dallas. All the word, and it's called EastEnders. And within the United Kingdom, EastEnders is a bit of a joke. It's a bit of a standing joke. They're always moaning, they're always whinging. Oh. Everything's going wrong. They're always shouting and screaming and arguing and crying. So if ever you enter a room and people are arguing, or there's an atmosphere or something's gone wrong, you go, flipping heck, it's like an episode of EastEnders, isn't it? Anyway, I don't want my share videos to be like an episode of EastEnders, but I was in agony. I phoned the doctors yesterday. Well, the doctor phoned me after I phoned them, and I told her everything. And she says to me, "It sounds like soft tissue damage in your side." And I was like, "Soft tissue? Have you seen me? Get Bruce Lee a run for his money. There's no soft tissue on this body." But anyway, she gave me a course of prescription painkillers, a prescription of anti-inflammatories, and a prescription of tablets to stop me throwing them back up, because that's what your body can do with these particular tablets. Guys, I've only took 2 and I feel fantastic. So she said take them for a week. So take 2 a day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening for a week. I carry on feeling like this. I might just have half a dozen later on with a cup of tea. Float to work in the morning, eh? Oh man, here we go. But that's it, yeah. Samantha's got COVID. Trying to extract my Amazon TV details out of me, so she can sit and watch my Amazon for free. You know, Amazon that I pay for. She'll be in there now, she can hear everything. Oh, I'm sure she's got bionic ears. She'll be lying in her bedroom. You open a bar of chocolate in the lounge and woof, she's in. This razor's very light. It's very nice. I like the razor, I like the case. I'll be honest with you, when the PEA Strangelet blades first came out, they got a real hard time off people. And I never had a bad one. To the point somebody actually messaged me and said, can you send me some of the ones you've got? And I did. But I think this time, I've dropped for a duffer. That blade isn't great. So I would be interested to try that razor with maybe a Kai blade. And then lather mittens, look at that, don't get carried away, John. There you go. Look at that, guys. We got 3 passes and all them lather mittens. That wasn't a big load, was it? Here we go. Usual suspects. I've got to be honest with you. It's not the greatest shave. But, you know, it's a light razor. I don't like light razors. It's a mild razor. I don't like mild razors. And that razor, that blade, I think that blade was my first strange little duffer. Have a look. Yeah. We did okay, didn't we? Yeah, it's certainly smooth enough up there. I have a feeling once they retract those little hairs, give it 10 or 15 minutes, you sit down, the hairs seem to retract back in under the skin. Oh my word. Okay. Oh my word. Oh. There. Oh, jeepers creepers. Oh my word, I think. Yeah. That was definitely a duff blade, that, guys. My face is screaming. I knew before I put that on we were going to have a problem. I think that blade scraped the stuff off. Didn't slice it off. But there you go. That's it. Beautiful. What scent? Yeah. Once again, just like a lovely, sweet, resinous tobacco kind of scent. And then we'll put some of this in. This is quite fragrant. Bit of juniper. It may go well. It may not. Let's wait and see. There you go. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Always a flyer on a Wednesday soon. Yeah, that actually goes very well. Yeah, that's quite fragrant aftershave. As always, let me know what you think of the stuff. Let me know what you think of the shave. Good and bad. Look after yourselves. Let me know what your shave is. And just have a good week. Have a good week. Live your best life. Life's too short, isn't it? Just live your best life. Have a good time. Look after yourselves and spread some love. And remember, the world needs more love. No, what is it? There's another one. Come on, what is it? I don't know what it is. The world needs more love. You be the one to show it. Look after yourselves, guys, and I will see you on Saturday. Surprisingly enough, for the Saturday shave. Take it easy, guys. Bye.